Hey everyone, and once again welcome to WS Cube Tech English channel. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video we are basically going to talk about the shared budget and the concepts around share budget, what are share budgets and how they actually work, right? So this particular option you can see over here in this section. When you go to tools and settings, over here you will be seeing the option of shared budget. It is given over here, right? So now as of now, what we know is basically that we can put our daily budget, or we call it as average daily budget. We can put our average daily budget at the campaign level, right? So we can put this at the campaign level in Google Ads, and in Facebook Ads we have the option of putting daily budget at the ad group level. So whenever we put our average daily budget at the campaign level, suppose we have two campaigns, right? Suppose we have two campaigns. There is campaign number 1 and again then there is campaign number 2. So we have two campaigns, and in one campaign we have like average budget set to be rupees 1000, and in campaign number 2 we have set average budget to be 500 rupees, right? Now we started running these campaigns. After some time, or after a day, what we see over here is this campaign has spent only 800 rupees, right, throughout the day. Throughout the day, this campaign has spent only 800 rupees. So here we basically left with 200 rupees over here, right? So this is there with campaign number 1, and now in campaign number 2, what we were seeing is, what results we have seen is this complete budget exhausted in like first half of the day, right? So we were having more potential, but because this budget exhausted, we were not able to cater that particular potential, or we were not able to show our ads, or we were not able to get more impressions, right? Why? Because this budget actually exhausted at, like, we can assume like 2 p.m, right? 2 p.m in the afternoon, and when it started at 12 midnight, right? So if we believe that, okay, these both campaigns started at 12 midnight, and this campaign I mean spent 800 rupees for like 24 hours, still left with 200 rupees. Here this campaign's budget got exhausted by like 2 p.m. okay, 2 p.m. So now what we can basically conclude from here is, see, this 200 rupees budget is left over here, which could have been utilized over here in this campaign number 2, because the 500 budget that we put over here got exhausted by 2 p.m. only. So we were having 200 left over here, and this budget could have been utilized over here in campaign number 2 for the better campaign optimization, right? But if we want to execute something which is of this kind, what we have to do is we have to apply a shared budget, right? We have to define a shared budget, and we have to apply this shared budget along all the campaigns which are present over here. So if we have a total budget of, like, this one was like 100 and 1500, right? So if we have total budget to be 1500, we can basically divide this budget, this complete 1500 budget, into two campaigns, which is like campaign number 1 and campaign number 2, and according to our impressions, according to our spend, according to the situation, that budget, that shared budget, will be segregated or divided into both the campaigns, right? So if Google will find that, okay, this campaign only requires rupees 800, it will allocate that 800 rupees to campaign number 1 only, and the rest of the amount will be allocated to campaign number 2. And if there is campaign number 3, so the complete shared budget will be divided into 3 campaigns, or whatever number of campaigns we are having, that will be divided accordingly, right? So from where we can basically do this thing is, we have to come to this tools and settings over here, and here we have to go to shared budget, right? So shared budget is basically the concept which says that we have a complete budget, and that budget can be divided into different campaigns according to the requirement. So we can create a new shared budget over here. Suppose we want to create a budget like budget of rupees 500, and this is shared budget. So we can write SB over here, shared budget for ABC campus. We wanted to divide this into 3 campus, and you can also mention amount over here like 5000 rupees, right? So if you want to add 2 campaigns over here only, that you can also do. Or if you want to create this shared budget, and further when you are going to create a new campaigns, you want to allocate at that particular moment, right? So you have both the options. So what we are going to do over here is, we just have to click on this save. Now we have this shared budget over here. Now if we go to new campaign creation process, if we go to this new campaign over here, and if we go to create a campaign without a goal guidance, if we go to search over here, now if we go to continue, and if we try to create a new campaign, it will basically ask us that whether you want to put the daily budget, average daily budget at campaign level, or you want to utilize your shared budget settings or the shared budget amount for this particular campaign, right? So you have both the options. Why you have both the options? Because now you have defined your shared budget and you have not allocated any I mean, you have not attached any campaign with that shared budget yet, but yes, you have the option over here. So if you come down over here and if you see like apply from shared budget over here, you can select this thing. Now this budget will be utilized for this particular campaign. Got my point? So if you are creating multiple campaigns, you can use this shared budget for different campaigns like campaign number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do not have to, so now you do not have to actually put budget your daily budget at the campaign level. You can put directly from the shared library, and that then it will be spread across the different campaigns which are there and which are using this particular shared budget. So this is how it actually works, and you also have the option of associating campaigns to this at the time of shared budget creation only. So what you can do is, let us discard this thing and let us come over here in this shared budget option. And if we come over here, right, so you have the option of applying this budget to different campaigns. You can select different campaigns like this one, so and this one. So you can select different campaigns and you can apply the shared budget, the concept of shared budget, to these campaigns. So now these campaigns will be using that particular 5,000 rupees, and Google will decide that how it can according to situation, how Google can basically push the budgets into these campaigns, and they will be utilizing a common budget which is there, and the amount of common budget is 5,000 rupees. According to the campaign's performance, Google will automatically decide what amount should be given to what particular campaign, right? So that's it for this specific video, and this is the concept behind shared budget. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.